क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, रेक्टिफिकेशन ऑफ एरर्स। रेक्टिफाई द फॉलोइंग एरर्स। दिया हुआ है ए फर्नीचर परचेज फॉर ₹10,000 रोंगली डेबिट टू परचेजेस अकाउंट। राइट, रोंग, रेक्टिफाई तीनों एंट्री करिए, आपको इजी हो जाएगा एंट्री करना। एग्जामिनेशन में आपको केवल रेक्टिफाइड एंट्री के ही मार्क्स मिलेंगे, बट राइट और रोंग करने का मतलब है कि आप इजीली कर लें। एंट्री थी परचेजेस फर्नीचर 10,000, तो एंट्री फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट 10,000। नरेशन अपने आप से करेंगे। रोंगली डेबिटेड टू परचेजेस अकाउंट, डेबिट कर दिया परचेजेस में, तो क्या लिख दिया, परचेजेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश। टू कैश के लिए अपना कॉमन सेंस यूज करना है, केवल डेबिट की मिस्टेक उसने बताई है तो आपको डेबिट की मिस्टेक करनी है, ठीक है। परचेजेस अकाउंट 10,000। अब आपको रेक्टिफाई करना है। सबसे पहले देखिए राइट में आपको फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट करना था, क्या आपने फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट करा? नहीं करा, तो अब कर दीजिए फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट 10,000। फिर आपने देखा कैश क्रेडिट करना था, क्या आपने कैश क्रेडिट करा? कर दिया, लेफ्ट। रोंग में आइए, आपने गलती से परचेजेस को डेबिट कर दिया। अब गलती को सुधारने के लिए फॉर रेक्टिफाइंग द मिस्टेक रिवर्स इट टू परचेजेस अकाउंट। पहले डेबिट थी, अब क्या कर दिया? क्रेडिट कर दिया 10,000। दिस इज योर रेक्टिफाइंग एंट्री। बी, मशीनरी परचेजेस ऑन क्रेडिट फ्रॉम रमन 20,000 was recorded through purchases book. Right, wrong, rectifying? Right, wrong, rectifying entry. Machinery purchase on credit from Raman. Entry will be machinery account debit to Raman's account 20,000. What you had done? You had wrongly recorded through purchase book. Purchase book, he is telling you purchase book, and at the time of purchase book, that is a credit purchase. So an entry will be purchases account debit to Raman account, ठीक है, 20,000. Now the rectifying entry will be in right, machinery account is debited. You will check whether machinery account is debited in wrong entry or not. No, then debit machinery account in rectifying entry. Machinery account debit 20,000. Then to Raman's account, whether Raman account is credited in wrong entry also, yes, then no need to pass to Raman account. Now in the wrong entry you are seeing purchases account debit, that is by mistake. You debited purchase account by mistake. Now rectify it by reversing, by crediting to purchases 20,000. This is your rectifying entry, machinery account debit to purchases account. Okay. C part, repairs on machinery debited to machinery account. Right, wrong, rectifying. Remind that with narrations, you have to do the journal entries with narrations. Okay. Repairs on machinery, correct entry will be repairs account debit, and what goes out? To cash account. How much? 1,400. Okay. What you have done? Debited to machinery account, debited to machinery account, wrongly debited, and the entry will be machinery account debit to cash account, what you had passed by mistake in your books of account. Now for rectifying this entry, you have to see what would be the entry. Repairs account debit, whether repair is debited in wrong entry. No, then debit it. Repairs account debit. Okay, then to cash account. Cash account is credited, whether cash is credited in wrong entry also. No, yeah, yes, then no need to pass this. Then in wrong entry, machinery account is debited by mistake. To rectify it, you have to credit the machinery account by 1400 to machinery account. Okay, this is your rectifying entry. The next part, D, right, wrong, rectifying. Repairs on overhauling of second hand machinery. Overhauling of second hand machinery means to this, say that when you are purchasing a machine and all the expenses related to that machine would be debited to that machinery account only, then right entry will be machinery account debit to cash. Machinery account debit to cash. When you are purchasing a machine, whether it is a new one or second hand, it is your first machine. Okay, you are purchasing a new machine and all the expenses related to purchasing, all the repairs and to trial run, up to trial run, all expenses would be debited to machinery account. Then the right entry, machinery account debit to cash. You can write bank also, no problem. The expenses are 2000. What you had done by mistake, debited repairs account. In place of machinery, you debited repairs account. Repairs account debit to cash account. Okay, 2000. In the question, he's saying only repairs is debited. He's not telling anything about the credit side. So you credit to cash account in wrong also. Okay. Now the rectifying entry will be machinery is debited in right entry. What had you done? Repairs. So you have to debit machinery. Machinery account debit 2000 to cash. Cash is credited and in wrong also cash is also credited. No need to pass to cash. Okay. Now repairs is debited by mistake and to rectify it, credited. What would be then? The entry will be to machinery account debit to repairs account. For how much? 2000. Okay. Last part would be done by you. Okay. Thank you.